Buyer activity is still below last year on the shore, and there are fewer contracts this week, but there is some good news. It's Friday, April 11th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Home sales are up 2.3% from last March, and the sales price also rose 2.9%. Detached home sales prices fell 0.7% from last March to a median $380,000. Townhome prices rose 8.7% to a median sold price of $282,500. Condos rallied this year, rising 31.3% to a median sold price of $421,990. Days on the market before sold remains relatively consistent year over year at 23 days, ending March 2025. 1,503 homes are coming soon. 1,919 properties debuted over this past week. 177 homes went under contract in 26 days. 101 homes settled at 98% list to sold ratio, with days on the market at 20. 95 homes are for lease at a median $2,000 a month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, April 11th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.